This really is a scenario that Queensland Health had been dreading, but our Chief Health Officer, Dr Jeannette Young, says that we are well prepared for it. Confirmation today that a female aged care worker has tested positive to COVID-19, and she is the wife of the 27-year-old man who tested positive yesterday after dining at the same restaurant as one of the women who allegedly illegally flew back into Brisbane after spending time in Melbourne. Now, our Chief Health Officer says that this woman could have potentially gone to work while infected, and they are expecting a number of additional cases in the coming days.
We do think that it was possible that she was infectious when she worked her last shift at that facility, so we are going to continue to have that facility in lockdown. It's a superb facility. It couldn't be better set up for a situation like this.
Tanika, when that 27-year-old man tested positive yesterday, Queensland Health issued a public health alert for a number of areas that he visited while potentially infected, including a shopping centre in the south of Brisbane, also a number of Bunnings as well. Now, people are urged to get tested if they have visited any of these areas. It can be found on the Queensland government website. This all comes, of course, as a new hotspot restriction for Greater Sydney comes into effect. But some people are still doing the wrong thing. Confirmation as well that 2 people are being charged after trying to sneak over the border in the back of a truck.
It should send a message to anyone who thinks they might be able to get around our travel restrictions, thinks they might be able to hide in a boot or find some other way of getting into the state, that police are checking vehicles. They will be caught, and the penalties are significant.
Delays at the Queensland border are not as extensive as they were early this morning, but we still have some traffic banking up, with police checking all cars with Victorian and New South Wales number plates, checking motorists as well for updated border declaration forms.